English, English. Yes, I speak English. So what? I can read English, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can eat English, I can drink English, I can sleep English, I can dream English, I can everything English. Everything English. So what? Me is English and English is me. But one thing is true. No one can match my English. No one can. Even English itself. English itself.